Hi guys, welcome back to another video of your e-learning series. This video is going to be going over how to evaluate whether it could be no solution or infinite solutions for one variable inequalities. So let's take a look at these two examples. Look at this one first. We have 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 2. Well, what I see here is that it's 2 times something, whatever x is, it's 2 times something plus 3, and this side is 2 times something plus 2. That tells me that this side is always going to be bigger because this one's plus 3 and this one's plus 2. The 2x part is the same, but this one adds 3, this one adds 2, which means this side is always going to be higher, so it's always going to be greater than. So that technically will be infinite solutions, and I'll prove that to you here just real quick. So let's say that this answer was 23. That means that this answer is going to be 22, because this one adds 3 to whatever it is, and this one adds 2 to whatever it is. So if 23 is your answer, then this one's one less, it's 22. So no matter what, this is going to be a true statement. It doesn't matter what you choose, it's always going to end up this side's one bigger than this side, so it works out as infinite solutions. Let's go ahead and move on to this one. I threw distributive property in here just for fun. Practice. 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 3 is 24. And then the other side, go ahead and rewrite it. Make that a little better. Okay, so we have the same thing on both sides. We have 8x plus 24 and 8x plus 24. If you try to put in a number here and here, you get the same answer on both sides, which means, like just for example, let's say that your answer was 32. Your answer over here would be 32. It'd be the same answer. So you have, is 32 greater than or equal to 32? Well, yeah, it's not greater than, but it is or equal to. So it is equal to, which means this is fine. It's fine because it is equal to. So no matter what number you put in here, you're going to get the same answer on both sides, and the or equal to will always make it a true statement. So no matter what you try, you're going to have a good solution. So infinite solutions here and infinite solutions here. Let's look at some that are no solution. So here we have one that's 3 times something plus 1. Let's say you chose this to be a 4. 3 times 4 plus 1 would be 13. And then this, let's say you chose 4. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4 is 16. So this comes out as a false statement, but I can prove to you that no matter what, it's going to be a false statement because this side has 3 times something plus 1, and this side has 3 times something plus 4. So the side that is supposed to be greater is only adding 1 after timesing by 3. And the side that's supposed to be less is supposed to times by 3 but then add 4. So this one's add 4, this one's add 1, which means this plus 4 side should always be bigger. So no matter what, this is not going to be true. If you try anything, you're going to have something over here that's 3 less than the other one. If this was 10, this would be 13, etc. It's never going to be a true statement because this one's always going to end up being 3 smaller than this one, so it's never going to be greater than. So this is no solution. Nothing works over here. And this is another example of no solution because if you try to put a number in here, let's say that you put in 2, your answer would be 21. Your answer over here would be 21. Is 21 greater than 21? No, it's not greater than 21 because they're the same number. And you don't have the or equal to option, so it's never true. It's not true because 21 is not greater than 21. And if it was a 24 and a 24, it's not true either. It doesn't matter what number you put in here, it's never going to be a true statement. So this is no solution, and this is no solution. I look forward to seeing you guys on live sessions. If you have any more questions, please email me during my office hours.